Now I really wanted to do an H pipe on the exhaust, but I don't have a tubing notcher or anything like that, so I was thinking about forgetting about it, not quite sure how to do it, but then I had an idea. I have like metal hole saws, and I have this mill, and I have this round chuck here, this like lathe chuck type system on my mill where I can clamp a piece of round tubing. So in my mind, there is no reason that I shouldn't be able to cut down through. It's asking a bit much of these hole saw cutters I have here, but I think it should work. It's a big hole to cut with the mill, but this should work. So we have the axis all locked out here, everything's set up. Here we're definitely going to use that oiler that we built because this is a little bit demanding. Okay, low gear, we don't want too high of a speed here.
Running that 2 1/4 inch hole saw at such a low speed requires a fair amount of torque, so I'm happy to have this milling machine for this. And then our fluid oiler system that we use just kept the heat down. It just worked beautifully. Look at that cut.
And there they are, cleaned up, ground in, wire wheeled. Look at that. Piece of cake now. We just trace around, cut out a hole inside. Look at that fit.
So those test cuts work great. Now we're cutting holes where we need them in our straight pipes so we can put our H in.